Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making bowl fillers. I have these 3 styrofoam balls. 2 are like a small and 1 is a little bit bigger. I'm using these 2 patterns of homespun fabric, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be this one that I'm cutting out now, that I'm going to be applying to my bigger foam ball, and then this blue and white I'm going to be wrapping around the 2 small. And what this is going to create is a cute bowl filler for dough bowls, baskets, any other type of bowls that you have around your house that you want to just add to your shelf with other home decor. So I'm going to start with the smaller one, and I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to just continue wrapping around the ball until all the foam is covered. So here I start off slower just so you could kind of see what I'm doing, and this way when you try it yourself you'll know what to do. I started in one direction and went around the circle a couple of times, and then I started to go in different directions. So you just want to continue wrapping the fabric around the ball until the foam is completely covered. And only use glue where needed. Of course, as you get to the very end, you want to make sure that that last bit of fabric is secure, because you don't want it to unravel. And then here I'm starting on my second one, and now I'm speeding up, being that you got to watch the other one a little bit slower. But again, you get the idea. I'm going in different directions, and I want to make sure that I'm holding that fabric a little bit tighter as I wrap around. And of course you could use any type of fabric you want. I chose to use the homespun fabric in these 2 patterns because that was the style I was looking for. I wanted to go slightly primitive, but of course farmhouse, because I love that look. And I'm going to be adding this to a basket with a couple of other items, and I'll have a picture at the very end of this video so you'll see it all done. So there's my 2 small ones. How cute are they? And now I'm going to wrap the bigger size one in that other fabric, and again I sped this up a little bit too. I actually got this idea from another crafting friend. I was watching her live on Facebook just the other day, and she was making these in a patriotic theme. Her craft was patriotic. It was for Memorial Day, and she was using patriotic fabric, and I was like, oh, this is so cool. I definitely want to try this. So it's always nice to get ideas and inspiration from our fellow crafters and then just make it our own. And the fun thing is, you use any type of fabric you want. And it doesn't have to be 2-sided because you're not going to see the back. Mine is 2-sided just because, like I said, I chose to do these 2 patterns. But you could have them seasonal, you could have them for every day, so that's what makes it really fun. And because this ball was bigger, I had to use a little bit more, so I just cut smaller strips and wrapped it around where you still saw some foam. Look at how cute that came. And there's my finished project. Thank you so much for watching.